Technical. Today we're going to talk about safety. This here is a 300 Blackout Aero Precision AR pistol. When handling a weapon, always make sure that it's empty. Like the bolts are rear. Make sure that the magazine is out. Make sure that you can see through the magazine well past the ejection port. Always handle it like if it was loaded. Don't point the muzzle brake towards things that you don't want to destroy. People, cars, kids, animals. But not only that, we're gonna move this out of the way. We all know now it's a 300 Blackout pistol. It's also 7.62 by 35. Here we have a 223 round. Here we have a 300 Blackout round. Here we have a 7.62 by 39. 7.62 by 35, 7.62 by 39, not the same round. 223, 5.56, 300 Blackout, not the same round. These two look very familiar, including the green tips, but they're not the same round. When you're loading your magazines, make sure you know what round you're loading. 223, 5.56. If you use the same style of magazines, whether it's a GI, government issue metal magazine, or an aftermarket metal magazine, or black polymer magazine, label them. Label them 223, 5.56. If you don't trust people, I don't trust people loading my magazines, so I load my own magazines. The reason why I'm making this video is because not doing so is not gonna end up well. Just to show you guys what I mean, here is the spring that don't look like much. You see it's twisted and broken. This spring was in this rifle. It's back here. It goes to secure the safety selector switch and the takedown pins. This rifle had to rebuild the inside of it. The owner, got lucky that he didn't blow his face off, because somebody loaded 300 Blackout and a 223 into his rifle. When he pulled the trigger, the charging handle blew out. Not only did it blow out, the trigger ended up pretty much destroyed. The bolt carrier was not any good. And it didn't go any further than that, other than messing up the stopper for the buffer in front of the buffer tube. Also, the person that was putting this thing together put the buffer and the spring backwards. The buffer was towards the back, the spring was towards the front. They got 3 shots off somehow. If you're not sure, find the video on YouTube, ask somebody, find the safety officer at the range, find somebody at the range that works at the range before you go killing yourself. It is not worth it. I know we are all learning, we all learn as we go, but safety is a must. I will show you in a little bit a few pictures of what it looks like when you blow out the ejection port, the bolt carrier, the charging handle, and the inside of the lower, because when they go off, the rounds that are in the magazine, they will go off too. And I have seen this before. Find the video on YouTube if you don't believe it. But always make sure that you triple check your firearms before you go using them, especially the magazines. If you're not sure, don't load them until the day you go into the range. Separate all of the 223s, 5.56 in a container and the 300 in a separate container. If you don't trust other people, don't let other people load them from you. And with that being said, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you subscribe, share it, and we'll see you in the next video.